In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable haptic feedback on the keyboard of my iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you enable haptic feedback on the iPhone 15 keyboard, it enhances your user experience by providing tactile confirmation of key presses, improving typing accuracy and responsiveness. This feature also adds a sense of physicality to on-screen typing, making it feel more like a traditional keyboard. Start by accessing your device's settings. You can do this by locating and tapping on the Settings app icon on your home screen. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Sound and Haptics section. To find this, scroll through the list of available options until you spot Sound and Haptics, and then tap on it. Once you're in the Sound and Haptics menu, continue scrolling until you come across the Keyboard Feedback option. This is where you can fine-tune your keyboard's response to your liking. Tap on Keyboard Feedback to reveal a set of customizable options. If you wish to add haptic feedback to your keyboard, toggle on the haptic switch. This will provide you with tactile vibrations as you type, enhancing the overall typing experience. Additionally, if you prefer audible feedback, toggle on the sound switch to enable keyboard click sounds. By toggling these options, you can seamlessly tailor your iPhone 15's keyboard feedback to match your preferences, whether you prefer a silent, haptic, or auditory response. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.